The Red Lion RL-SPS33 is a robust sump pump system perfect for installation under sinks, bars, or laundry tubs, offering a streamlined solution for managing wastewater. Equipped with a powerful 1/3 horsepower motor, this system can efficiently move up to 3,200 gallons per hour, ensuring rapid drainage. Its construction features durable epoxy-coated aluminum housing and a double seal system, promising long-lasting reliability and reduced maintenance needs. The pre-assembled system includes a 6-gallon basin and necessary components, making setup straightforward and user-friendly. An automatic vertical float switch activates the pump when water levels rise, providing peace of mind by preventing overflow issues. Compact and self-contained, the RL-SPS33 is designed for easy installation with minimal space requirements, making it a versatile choice for various settings.